Hello, thank you for watching Montessori Lesson Channel. In today's video, I will be introducing the color globe from the Culture and Science unit. Please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child that the Earth is divided into two different parts of continents and oceans. The instructions for the activity are: introduce the child to the color globe at the Culture and Science shelf. Hold the globe from the base with both hands and carry it to the work area and have the child carry the sandpaper globe the same way. Go over the areas of land and water on the sandpaper globe. Let the child look at both globes and explain that the color globe represents the Earth or the world the same way as the sandpaper globe does. Then go over the two globes' similarities, such as they turn, it is round, the majority of the part is blue, and that they have the same shape. Next, go over the difference of the two globes, that the sandpaper globe has rough shapes that are brown and the color globe has smoother raised shapes that are different colors for each continent. Have the child point to a land on the sandpaper globe and find the same shape land on the color globe. Follow the same steps with the remaining land on the globe. Remove the sandpaper globe out of the work area and point to one of the colored land area on the color globe and say, "This is a continent. It is one of the large area of land surrounded by water." Follow the same steps for the remaining continents. Next, point to one of the blue areas between the continents on the color globe and say, "This area of water is called an ocean." Turn the globe to the right, stopping at another ocean, and repeat the process. Follow the same steps for the other oceans. Have the child find the continents and ocean on the color globe. Follow the same steps for the remaining continents and oceans. Have the child repeat the activity and place the material back on the shelf when they are finished working with it. Please visit the Making Montessori Hours website in the description part on how to make the color globe on your own. This ends my video for today. Thank you for watching.